gets an F- of being an influencer and content creator today.
I contented out yesterday.
But apparently he didn't like my redneck chicken tractor. I don't know why. It worked. It was not big enough, but it worked to get him outside. So he spent the day making a chicken tractor.
I didn't spend the day. I took a nap today.
You took a nap? Oh, I didn't get a nap. Did you have to buy wood or did you have this all?
Stole some.
Oh, from?
For the lane.
Oh.
But I wasn't going up there today. I'm like, it's 16 feet because these were 18 footers, so 16-foot sheets of tin that are repurposed.
We're so sustainable.
They're not upside down, I promise. It's upside down or brown. Might get a little hot in the summer.
Oh.
I so smart.
So anyways, our first round of meat birds is pretty much ready, probably in the next week or two. But this will be nice. Hopefully we actually like processing them.
Running out. My screws will even all be straight. That's why I don't miss. Cheating.
Alright, now we're professionals. I just realized the last video was super windy. So, I don't know, I brought these microphones a while ago. Maybe they'll work, maybe they won't. Only time will tell. Burn! How much rain did we end up getting?
Just shy of 7/10. Clearly I couldn't tell where the hayfield was.
Just a man outstanding in his field. Alright, stop looking at your corn. Let's finish this project.
Why? I like to start things and then shelf them.
Oh, I'm so hungry though. Go for some chicken.
Correctly. We'll have plenty of nailing room. By golly, look at that.
Proud of you.
Now you gotta run the hammer. I'm running out of fingers.
Don't you have a nail gun?
Yeah. You need a staple gun.
You have a staple gun too.
No. Not this kind of staple gun. Different staple gun.
Dang it.
Yeah, I didn't go buy one of those today.
I just saw an advertisement for a gun that does that.
There are some.
Yeah, it'd be
Figured I wasn't
not that we fence enough, but it'd be cool.
Yeah. Wow. You got a lot of fence to fix. Joe might have hit some with the disc when he was working ground.
Joe, you're gonna blame the 5-year-old?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have enough to go all the way around?
I don't know.
You have another roll?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
In theory, I should have 2 extra feet.
In theory. Keep up the good work.
I will.
Oh, I'm not going to quit my day job. Fudge! Why is it so hard? Oh, it just gets worse and worse. Gracie, you're not helping. Okay, that one's not pretty. I should probably be fired.
Huh?
I said I should probably be fired.
Do I want to know why?
Oh my gosh. Because I suck at this.
Use the pliers to start it so you don't hit your fingers. That's a plus. That's going northeast because that's a storm. And I don't know where my hammer's at.
Gracie's chasing birds. I lied and said it wasn't going to rain, and then it rained.
Minor details. Huh?
It's on.
Yeah. Might need a little more lag.
Why do it need wheels?
To roll.
I mean, if the wheels fall off, then it needs a longer one, hey?
This is the project of repurposing. These are off of one of the fans that's hanging in the way.
Off one of the what?
The fans that are hanging.
Oh. What are you doing? Oh, can I pet the cat? Going for a walk with the kitty? Whether he likes it or not. Oh, poor kitty. Oh, do you love the kitty? Oh, yes, okay. How about we leave Kitty be now?
I know. Yay.
Have at it. Every so often.
Cat, give me the hand. Wait, here?
Sure.
I need a stick. Let me help you. Cat, I can do it. Hey, Dad, don't stop moving. Daddy! Daddy, I need help! No, I don't. It's just too heavy. The hammer's too heavy for me. Okay. Can finally do it. Dad, Mama, the hammer.
Hold on.
I should help do it.
You need help.
Okay.
Good job.
Jack, I'll probably do it.
Beep, beep. Nope, leave it in there.
Let me try it. Dad, where can I do this one?
Nothing?
Where can I do this one? Wait,
I
here?
don't know. About right here. Want me to get started?
I need.
Pull! Pull!
Pull harder!
I can't.
Wow, look at you guys go. Do you want me to help? Oh, you lost your shoes?
Yeah. I just don't know how much is right here.
Do we need Dad to help us?
Yes!
Here, Jack. Jackson.
Get out! Let's hook it on.
Why'd you get out, Dad?
Oh no.
Boys know what they're doing. Oh, you almost had it. There we go. Pretty easy, but the wheels are not moving at all. Nothing's broken yet, so we're good. Ooh, look at those clouds.
Mom,
Oh.
got a leg stuck.
Okay, can you pick them up?
I'm just gonna hold it.
Oh. Why don't you put him back in? Is he heavy?
Yes.
No chicken nuggets for you, Gracie.
Ooh, the shoe.
Yeah.
I made my shoe fall. There you go. This.
I'm going. Go check out your new digs. Is that such a big step for you guys to climb over?
No. I don't try it.
There you go. Come on. Good thing I had that redneck chicken tractor to move them over here, hey?
My duck.
Boys could have carried them.
My duck, rock up.
Snake. What were you saying?
Said you're gonna buy some more 2x4s, and then you're gonna make like a 6-foot hatch here to lift up.
Mm-hmm.
But I ran out of 2x4s that I was willing to sacrifice for this project, and I didn't want to go to the store because I know how that is.
Over here. Which one do you want to feed?
This one.
That one? Okay. Lift it over. Good job. There we go. High five. Woo!
These are so loud.
Think the chicks are happy? All right. The chicken tractor is done for now. Like Joey said, we gotta put a kind of an overhead door on it. That way we can get in and out easier, and make it so that we can water them without like having to put all the stakes in. That's nature.
How about we just cut
That's gorgeous.
How about we can make a place where the hose
Yeah, take a moment to appreciate those clouds. So yes, the chicken tractor is done for now. It'll get some modifications later in life, but I think we decided that not this weekend, but next weekend we are going to butcher the chickens. They'll be 8 weeks old at that point, so they should be really...
Even the chicken!
That'll be good size. Like some of the roosters, they're obviously bigger than the hens, so like some of them are probably ready this weekend, but it'll be easier to do them all at once, so we will do that in like a week and a half, which is exciting. I think we have everything we need for it. We've been like binge watching YouTubes on how to do the process and stuff, so we're really excited to not only have chicken for ourselves but also offer it to our community along with the beef and pork that we have. Weirdo. All right, well anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, we would love if you did that. Also leave a comment, maybe that would be fun. And I hope everyone's having a great week and has a wonderful sunshiny day.